Time for the January 4th, 6 a.m. turn on. Looks like the voltage is 13. We do have some aircraft traffic. Orlando approach. I want to go see if we can get them on the screen. It's always something fun to do. I don't see him on a Orlando approach. Sanford approach. Highway's down here. I believe he lied to us. Back to the radio. Alright, well, we didn't get to see that airplane. That's okay, though.
Turn right heading 060, maintain 5,000, only 36 right for takeoff.
He's telling somebody to maintain 5,000. And you can see yellow is 6,000. And this guy's 1,400. The only plane I could see that he'd be talking to is this one. He told him to maintain 5,000, and he's coming down. That's the plane right there. That's the one that he just told to maintain 5,000, and he's going to come into Iowa. I guess. Right here. Interesting. Not a lot of chatter between them. So if you've ever wondered what the airbands are good for, there's one of the things if you're just sitting around and want to play radio and listen to, you want to listen to what's going on and see it on a map. That's how you do it. Anyways, this has been 3 minutes. We're going to shut down. And we'll resume at 9 a.m. Alright, let's begin the January 4th, 9 o'clock battery test. 3 minutes to go. Listening to the airport again. Let me change frequencies. Maybe somebody's having a chat somewhere. We'll do like normal. Go down to 2 meter. 14652. And then we'll come up through here again. Just listen. See if anybody's talking. That Webster repeater right there is coming in good on the other radio. That's digital fusion. Oh, it's got everything. Kilo Oscar 4, Tango, November Lima. Yep, pretty sure we make that one, no problem. No problem making that one. It's only 50 miles to my west. We're at 10 watts or 20 watts. I can't remember what I left it at. Let's jump in the menu and look. We'll see where we left off at. It would be Is it menu item? I don't have my glasses on. 75. Ooh, 50 watts. There's no way. That's RF. And that's for HF. Pretty sure. No. What? This thing's only supposed to be 20 watts. Whoa, sorry. Got the camera off. What a dork. I thought this was only supposed to be 20 watts on 2 meter. Well, that's strange. Maybe it's 70 centimeter that it's only 20 watts. Ah, there it is. Yep, that's what it is. So I was on 50 watts. No biggie. All right, well, there's some menu functions for you guys. In case you didn't know how to get to your power, it's long press the menu button and go to 75. And it'll be preset for whatever band you're on, as you just witnessed. A 70 centimeter is going to be max of 20, 2 meter, max of 50, and HF is going to be a maximum of 100. Anyways, 3 minutes is up. We'll check in next time. By the way, battery voltage is 12.9. It's slowly coming down. 73. All right, here we go. January 4th. Battery test of the 857D. Battery voltage starting off at 13.1 again. That's crazy. Let's go to 5.2 and listen. Still don't have an HF antenna connected, but that's okay. We're going to listen to 5.2 for 3 minutes. I could probably just do this video or do this experiment and then just tell y'all what I did. But the thing about it is, people wouldn't believe me unless they actually see it. Probably still not going to believe me. But anyways, we are going to test this thing, and we're going to test it for 5 days. I think that we're done after today. At 6 o'clock, I think this testing is over. I might go to 7 days. Nah, I don't know. Let's mimic hearing somebody talk.
Get some stuff. So, hope you're having a happy new year and making a prosperous and wonderful 2026. I can't believe it's 2026.
I knew he was going to say that. I would have been let down if he didn't.
So anyway, 73 and have a great one. And 9 ZEP.
I hate Zed. Come on, people. We're in America. Don't say Zed.
Well, yeah, have a
Say
good
Zulu.
day and drive safely.
Or zebra. Or Zanzibar. See if there's any airplanes coming in.
I've been down here since I was,
I've been down here since... And you're still trying to do it like from where you came from. Every time I hear somebody say, back home, well, go back home. Unless you say something like, well, back home it snowed. And I hated that. And that's why I left and came to Florida, where it's 95 degrees and beautiful. Anyway, we are 15 seconds away from shutting this thing off again. Oh, 270. That sucker right there's going west, boy. And there's 3 minutes. We'll see you guys next time. 3 o'clock hour.